I became a nurse because my first career was as a medic in the Army, and that really got me interested in the healthcare profession.
I became a nurse because I wanted to be a part of something bigger than myself.
I absolutely love nursing, and if I could do it all over again, I would do the same thing. I would become a nurse.
One of my favorite parts about the job is being able to see a patient get better and get better through the process.
I have been blessed to be by the side of many patients and their families, have been blessed to be working by the side of many other nurses, other healthcare professionals.
I would say the toughest part of this job is routinely seeing people who might be going through the most difficult times in their lives, really serious challenges.
Nurses are everywhere. We help in legal cases. We help provide consultation behind the scenes. Sometimes nurses are the subject matter expert. We're in schools, we're in communities, we're on your cruise ships.
Just nothing makes me happier and more content than knowing I've made a positive difference in someone's life.